Weather Scope.
The fans are ready, and the competition is fierce. Coming up, we'll tell you what conditions will be like today in Crested Butte, Colorado on this final day of the Winter Extreme Games. Good morning and welcome to Weatherscope. I'm Mark Mancuso.
And I'm Dan Atkinson. Dangerous winter conditions have forced the closure of many roads in the state of Colorado. Details on that are coming up.
And first, expect unsettled conditions in the southern states today. It's snowing in the southern plains, and rain is headed towards the deep south. Meanwhile, in the northeast, well, it looks like a little bit more in the way of light snow this morning. Let's go first into New Haven, Connecticut, where you've had some icy conditions to deal with. The area certainly doesn't need any additional weather problems. As you can see, well, the ground is still very icy due to a nice storm that moved through New Haven last week. Snow showers are in the forecast for today. We've had that early this morning. Yeah, keep those scrapers handy. As you can see on the radar there's a lot of light precipitation showing up here from southern New England right on down to southeast PA. A little rain in the city of brotherly love, Philadelphia, but in Bucks County, a little light snow. Light snow overspreading metropolitan New York, a little light snow at Newark and JFK. Some minimal delays at the airport there. Light snow, we've had dusting to an inch or so around Glastonbury, and we do see a lot of light snow in southeast Massachusetts here around Taunton, Foxborough, and Norwood, and even on the Cape we're looking at snow changing to rain from Hyannis points east. That's all part of a moist flow coming in from the Atlantic here. You can see that moisture swinging by. Light accumulations expected today on the order of a dusting to maybe up to 2 inches. Farther west, other problems. More light snow is in the air, but down here we do see a little freezing drizzle northeast Indiana and northwest Ohio and southeast lower Michigan. We've had reports of accidents in the suburbs outside of Detroit and around Fort Wayne, Indiana because of the icy glaze. And again, not a heavy snowfall expected here, dusting to a couple of inches, but freezing drizzle and light snow. That is a traveler's nightmare. Temperatures pretty chilly here in the northeast, 18 in the Capital District, 7 in Burlington, 26 in Boston, and freezing New York City. There you see Philadelphia with the light rain, 36 degrees. Little breeze in Boston, so it feels like 2. And in Detroit, boy, it's raw out there. Feels like 10 degrees. To the south we go. Active subtropical jet stream here. Vigorous chunk of energy. The two shall meet over the south. Rain will develop rapidly, and there's the potential for severe storms, and even the potential for some wet snow coming down through Missouri into Tennessee and over to the mountains of North Carolina. Right now, a lot of this not reaching the ground. Have been a few sprinkles of rain in southeast Missouri around Poplar Bluff and West Plains. High pressure over the south. It's cold and dry, so it's going to be an interesting evening here. Dan?
Thanks, Mark. As mentioned earlier, numerous roads are closed in the state of Colorado due to extreme weather conditions. Among them, Interstate 70 west of Denver, which has been closed until sunrise due to avalanche conditions. Heavy snows fell in the region yesterday, followed by high winds, which have created avalanche dangers. Meanwhile, no one seems to be complaining about the snow in Crested Butte, Colorado. That's the site of ESPN's Extreme Winter Games. Yesterday, even a blast of snow and strong winds couldn't steal the show from these athletes. They're competing in 6 sport categories, which include snowboarding, free skiing, ice climbing, and snowbike mountain racing. So a lot of winter fun taking place there, but folks needing to travel through Colorado having those problems. We mentioned the Interstate 70 west of Denver closed until actually the Colorado Department of Transportation reports well after sunrise. It could be before the crews get the roads cleared and are able to assess the avalanche danger. West of Denver, Interstate 70 between Georgetown and Silverthorne. Also other road closures in the mountains of north central Colorado include Interstate 70 over Vail Pass. Also Interstate 6 over, Love.